The regional centre of our state's southwest, Bunbury, is a thriving city these days. It's got a vibrant cafe scene and urban streetscape punctuated by stunning art installations, much like this one. But that's not the main reason we're here today. We're here to see some dolphins up close. That's right, Bunbury is home to a hands-on dolphin experience just 90 minutes from Perth at the newly upgraded Dolphin Discovery Centre. It's not hard to find, just look at the outside of that building. Situated on the Bunbury Bay foreshore, which is also fresh thanks to a recent makeover, this immersive experience features interactive displays, activity centres and tours for all age groups. It's all about sharing knowledge about marine life and Bunbury Bay's native dolphins with the world. These wild bottlenose dolphins have been coming into the beach here for years. Mornings is probably the best time to catch them in this nice, easy to access interaction zone. To up your experience, you can see the dolphins in their own environment on an eco boat tour, or tick an item off your bucket list, go for a swim with the dolphins in the wild. The philosophy behind the Dolphin Discovery Centre is to promote research and conservation of all marine life native to the area, with aquarists here taking part in some important wildlife rehabilitation work. Well, Jan, your turtle rehab program here has been running for more than 15 years.
Yes,
can you tell me a bit more about the work you do?
Certainly. So these little turtles arrive very, very sick when they're found on southwest beaches after storms.
Yep.
And so we have to warm up their core body temperature. We have to rehydrate them. We make sure that there's no broken bones, no parasites, so anything that's required to get these little guys back on the road to full health. And it's a big team effort to then get them back up to the nice warm waters in the northern parts of the state to be released.
So what dangers do turtles face in the wild?
One of the main dangers to marine turtles and all marine life is plastic. Plastic bags, plastic straws and balloons. They think it's food, they try to eat it, and only 1 in 1,000 turtles survives from hatching through to adulthood and then being wiped out by plastic bags. There's not many turtles left and they're all endangered species now. The main aims of the Dolphin Discovery Centre: conservation, education and research. We want to ensure the sustainability of all these marine creatures through into the future, and the way we do that is by educating our visitors on how to care for the environment and how to look after these animals. So we're going to get little Hannah out. This is Hannah, she's waving. Hannah would have hatched out up north, probably between last November and March, so not quite 1 year old. Before Hannah was rescued, something had tried to make a meal of her, you can see there. Some of the turtles come in with limbs missing or pieces of their shell, their carapace missing, but most of them are able to be rehabilitated successfully.
Well, Jan, obviously seeing these turtles up close is just one of the amazing experiences you can have here. Thank you for showing us through your program.
Thank you very much.
With so much to do and cafes both here at the Dolphin Discovery Centre and out on the Strip, there's never been a better time for a day trip to Bunbury. You can find out more on our website.